Students, in the last session we discussed about introduction to circles. In that, what is radius of the circle and what is the diameter of the circle, what is the relation between radius and diameter, and formula to find the length of the radius or diameter. Similarly, what is chord, what is major segment or minor segment, and major sector, minor sector. In this class, consider a circle. O is the center of the circle and PQ is a chord, and angle POQ subtended by the chord PQ at the center, and angle PRQ and PSQ are the angles subtended by the same chord PQ at 2 points R and S. Or angle PRQ subtended by the chord PQ at the major segment, and angle PSQ subtended by the chord PQ at minor segment. You know that major segment and minor segment. What is the definition for major segment and minor segment? The region between chord and major arc is called major segment. The region between chord PQ and minor arc is called minor segment. Next, consider one more circle. AB and CD are the two chords. AB and CD are the two chords, and AB is greater than CD. The length of the AB chord is greater than the length of CD. Angle AOB subtended by the chord AB at the center O. Similarly, angle COD is subtended by the chord CD at the center O. Now, measure the angle AOB and COD by using protractor. Now, we need to measure what is the measurement of, or what is the angle of AOB and what is angle COD. Now, by using protractor, measure the angle. Yes. Angle COD is 70 degree. Angle COD is 70 degree. Here, angle AOB is 102 degree. Once again, AB is the chord which is greater than the chord CD. Now, observe the angle AOB is equal to 102 degree, which is subtended by the chord AB at the center O. What about angle COD? Angle COD is equal to 70 degree, which is subtended by the smaller chord CD at the center O. Now, angle AOB is greater than angle COD, right? Angle AOB is greater than angle COD, which is 102 degree is greater than 70 degree. So, we conclude that the angle subtended by longer chord at the center is greater than the angle subtended by the smaller chord at the center O. Angle AOB is greater than angle COD because the chord AB is greater than CD. So this is the statement. What is the relation between angle AOB and COD? Angle AOB is subtended by the chord or longer chord AB. Angle COD is subtended by the smaller chord CD. Now angle AOB is greater than COD because AB is greater than CD. Consider the circle, center O and AB, CD are the two chords and also AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Now measure the angle AOB and COD. Angle AOB is the angle subtended by the chord AB at the center O. Angle COB subtended by the chord CD at the center O. And AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Now measure the angle AOB and COD by using protractor. Angle COD is equal to 70 degree. Angle COD is equal to 70 degree. COD is equal to 70 degree. Now we need to measure what is angle AOB. Angle AOB. Yes, angle AOB is also measures 70 degree. Angle AOB is also equal to 70 degree. Yes, what is the conclusion? If two chords are equal in the circle, the angles subtended by the two equal chords at the center are also equal. Yes, AB equal to CD. Therefore, the angles subtended by the equal chords at the center O are also equal. So we write angle AOB is equal to angle COD. This is the statement. Now theorem, equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. ಸಮನಾದ ಜ್ಯಾಗಳು ವೃತ್ತದ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮನಾದ ಕೋನವನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. So this is the theorem. You have learnt in your earlier classes some theorems. By using your previous knowledge, can you tell me what are the steps involved in to prove the theorem? Yes, generally there are 3 steps. First one, data. Second one, to prove, and last, proof. What do you mean by data? Dattamsha. It means that Dattamsha. Datta means what is given in the question as a hint. Second, to prove. What to prove? ಏನನ್ನ ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕು. And finally, proof. Some steps involved in proof. So, first write the first step, data. Dattamsha, what is given in the theorem as a hint. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. In this theorem, what is data? Yes, equal chords, samanada jagalu, equal chords, the given equal chords are there in the figure. In the circle, there are 2 equal chords. What are the 2 equal chords in the circle in the given figure? Yes, we have AB and CD are the 2 equal chords. So this is the data in the theorem. Write AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD is the data which is given in the theorem. Second step, to prove. ಏನನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕು, ಏನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ subtend equal angles at the center. Equal angles at the center. So we have to prove that AB subtend angle AOB, which is equal to CD subtend angle COD. So AOB is equal to COD. We have to prove that angle AOB is equal to COD. Data AB equal to CD which is given, and to prove angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Next, third step, proof. We have to write some steps. Yes, consider the figure, the circle. There are two triangles AOB and COD. Triangle AOB and COD. AOB and COD are the two triangles in the circle or inside the circle. OA, OB, OC and OD are the four radii in the circle, but are the sides of the triangle in this figure. All the four radii are equal to each other because we know that the radii of the circle all are equal, because all the collection of points are at a fixed distance from the fixed point, that is center O. So all the four radii are equal. Now AO equal to CO, right? AO equal to CO, AO equal to CO. Second, AB equal to CD. Why AB equal to CD? AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD because AB equal to CD is the data which is given in the theorem. AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Next, what about OB and OD? OB and OD. OB and OD are the radii of the circle, of the same circle. So OB equal to OD. OB equal to OD. We have three elements, we have 3 points. In your 8th class, you learnt postulates. What are the postulates? What are they? SAS postulate, SSS postulate, ASA postulate. What do you mean by SAS postulate? Side, angle, side. ASA postulate, angle, side, angle. One more we have, SSS postulate, side, side, side postulate. Generally, there are 6 elements required to congruent the 2 triangles, but we need only 3 elements of the one triangle. So what is the definition of SSS postulate? Side, side, side postulate. Yes, the definition is 3 sides of the one triangle. If the 3 sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding 3 sides of the other triangle, then the 2 triangles are said to be congruent. If 3 sides of the one triangle are equal to the corresponding 3 sides of the other triangle, then the 2 triangles are said to be congruent. Now we have 3 equal elements of one triangle which is correspond to the other triangle. AO equal to CO, AB equal to CD, OB equal to OD. So we conclude that by using SSS postulate, we can congruent two triangles. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. AOB is congruent to triangle COD. If three sides of the triangle are equal to each other of two triangles, we can say the angles are also equal. Now we needed only to prove what is the relation between AOB and COD. What is the relation between AOB and COD? We know that if the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of other triangle, then the rest of the elements are also equal, means we needed to prove or to show the relation between angles. But we need what is AOB and COD. So we can directly write angle AOB is equal to COD. AOB equal to COD. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. If AB equal to CD, they are equal, chords are equal, the angles subtended by the equal chords at the center O are also equal to each other. This is the theorem. Next, second theorem, if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. If the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, it means that AOB equal to COD. AOB, angle AOB is equal to angle COD is the data which is given in this theorem. So, the first step to prove the theorem, that is to write data. What is data? Data is given if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal. So, angles are equal. It means that angle AOB equal to angle COD. They given angles are equal. Second step, to prove. What to prove? To prove, then the chords are equal. ಎರಡು ಜಾಗಗಳು ಸಮನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We need to prove chords are equal. Angles are equal, they given. We have to prove that two chords are equal. That is, chord AB is equal to CD. To prove AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. What is the next step? Yes, third step, proof. How to prove AB equal to CD? Here also, in this circle, we have to consider two triangles AOB and COD. Triangle AOB and COD. Triangle AOB and COD. We need to prove AB is equal to CD. So we can't write AB is equal to CD now. We need to write something which is given in the figure as the data. What about the radii of a circle? All the radii are equal to each other. We can write AO equal to CO, AO equal to CO, because they are the radii. AO equal to CO, AO equal to CO. What about the angle? Angle is given. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. The second element, angle AOB is equal to COD. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. We need one more to show two triangles are congruent. What is the third element we have to write in this step? AO equal to CO, angle AOB is equal to COD. What about OB equal to OD? OB equal to OD. Why? They are radii of the circle. So, we can directly write OB is equal to OD. Observe the three steps: AO equal to CO, AOB equal to COD, OB equal to OD. Angle O is in between the two sides AO and OB in the first triangle. Similarly, in the second triangle, angle O is in between side CO and OD. It means that SAS postulate. We have to prove two triangles are congruent by using SAS postulate. What do you mean by SAS postulate? What is the definition for SAS postulate? You already learnt in your earlier class. If the two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides and included angle of other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Once again, if two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides and included angle of other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by using SAS postulate. SAS postulate, it proves two triangles are congruent. If two triangles are congruent, then the rest of the elements are also equal. What are the rest of elements we needed in this theorem? That is to prove, what to prove? AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. We have to write or we have to prove AB equal to CD. Is possible to show or prove AB equal to CD? Yes. AB equal to CD. Students, in this class we discussed about angles subtended by the chords at a center and what are the difference or what are the relation between the angles subtended by different chords and same chords and two theorems. Thank you.